Natural phenomena, unexplained places where the Earth acts strangely. The Earth is full of wonders, but some natural phenomena go far beyond what we can explain with science. There are places where the planet behaves in ways that defy our understanding, leaving even the most brilliant scientists scratching their heads. From areas where geological anomalies occur overnight, to strange lights in the sky and massive sinkholes swallowing entire buildings, these mysteries captivate our imagination. What makes these events so compelling is that, despite advanced technology, some of them remain unsolved. Take the Bermuda Triangle, for instance. For years, planes and ships have vanished without a trace, and theories range from powerful magnetic fields to supernatural causes. And what about the Hessdalen lights? These unexplained lights in Norway's sky have baffled researchers for decades. There are countless mysterious zones like these scattered across the world, each offering a glimpse into the unknown. Could the answers lie in the Earth's natural processes? Or is there something more? Prepare to dive into the strangest places on Earth, where reality is stranger than fiction. These locations not only challenge our understanding of science, but also push us to question what we believe about the world around us. Ready to unravel the Earth's most mysterious behaviors? Let's begin. Fascinated by these strange occurrences? Make sure to subscribe to the channel now for more mind-blowing stories of the Earth's most mysterious places. Hit that like button if you're ready to explore more. Liquefaction in Tokyo. In 2011, Tokyo faced a terrifying event when the Tohoku earthquake triggered a phenomenon known as liquefaction. Entire neighborhoods in the Tokyo Bay Area, built on reclaimed land, began to sink as the ground turned into a liquid-like state. Streets cracked, mud oozed from the ground, and structures tilted dangerously. This unusual event caused chaos and left engineers scrambling to understand how it could have happened so suddenly. Liquefaction occurs when saturated soil loses its strength due to intense shaking, like during an earthquake. What made the situation in Tokyo more unsettling was how widespread the damage was. This phenomenon revealed the vulnerability of areas built on loose or reclaimed land. In this case, the soft ground beneath the city, under immense pressure, became unstable, acting almost like quicksand under the city's feet. Tokyo's experience serves as a warning to other densely populated cities built on similar soil. It's a reminder that no matter how advanced our construction techniques become, natural phenomena can always find a way to remind us of the Earth's raw power. The question is, are we ready for the next unexpected movement beneath us? Soil saturation gone wrong. Construction sites deal with all kinds of challenges, but imagine seeing the ground beneath a work zone behave like an inflatable trampoline. This was exactly what happened when a construction site experienced soil saturation, causing the ground to temporarily liquefy. A pool buried in clay hadn't been compacted properly, and when heavy machinery arrived, the weight caused the land to behave like a springy mattress. This rare geological anomaly occurred because of oversaturation. The soil, unable to support the weight, lost its solid form. The event lasted only a few moments but showed how critical proper ground preparation is when dealing with heavy construction. The soil acted almost like wet sand, which quickly turned into a hazard. While this phenomenon isn't common, it serves as a cautionary tale for future construction projects. Engineers must always consider the possibility of natural phenomena affecting their plans, especially in areas where the ground may be unstable or oversaturated. Ignoring these warnings could lead to disastrous consequences. Surprised by how the Earth behaves in ways we can't predict? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the planet's strangest mysteries. The breathing forest in Quebec. In 2018, a video of a forest floor in Quebec went viral, showing what appeared to be the Earth breathing. The ground heaved up and down as if it were alive, leaving viewers astonished and puzzled. This strange occurrence was later explained as the result of high winds blowing through the trees, causing their root systems to lift the soil in a rhythmic pattern. This breathing effect, though unsettling to witness, is completely natural in areas where trees grow in soft, wet soil. As the wind blows, it pushes the trees and the roots tug on the ground, creating the illusion of a living, moving forest floor. The effect was amplified by the recent rains that had softened the ground even more. While this phenomenon is rare, it's a fascinating reminder of how connected everything in nature is. Even in a natural phenomenon as simple as the wind blowing through a forest, the Earth finds ways to surprise and mystify us. It also shows how powerful and dynamic nature can be when the right conditions align. Disappearing beach in Queensland. Imagine standing on a beach one minute and the next, it's gone, swallowed by the ocean. This is exactly what happened in Queensland, Australia, in 2018, when a section of the coastline vanished into the sea due to a coastal landslide. The sudden collapse, which formed a large crater, was the result of years of coastal erosion that eventually reached a tipping point. This geological anomaly was a stark reminder of how fragile certain environments can be. Coastal landslides occur when the land underneath a beach or cliff becomes too weak to support itself, causing large sections to break away. In this case, the event was accelerated by rising sea levels and increased erosion, which wore away the land from beneath until it gave way entirely. The disappearing beach shocked locals and tourists alike, but for scientists, it was yet another example of how natural phenomena like erosion can completely transform a landscape in a matter of moments. It's a powerful example of the ongoing battle between the land and the sea, one that humanity can do little to stop. The appearance of giant sinkholes. There are few things as terrifying as the sudden appearance of a massive sinkhole. In 2010, a 20-meter-wide sinkhole opened up in Guatemala City, swallowing an entire factory and several buildings in its path. This particular sinkhole was caused by a combination of natural and human-made factors, including heavy rainfall and poor underground infrastructure. Sinkholes form when water erodes the ground beneath the surface, creating underground voids. Once the land above can no longer support itself, it collapses, sometimes swallowing everything above it in an instant. While this type of natural phenomenon is not common, when it does occur, the results can be catastrophic. The Guatemala sinkhole is a reminder of how unpredictable the Earth can be. No matter how solid the ground beneath us feels, the reality is that it's always shifting, always changing. As cities continue to grow and expand, understanding the risks of these geological anomalies is more important than ever. The mysterious fairy circles of Namibia. In the vast Namib Desert, millions of fairy circles dot the landscape, each one a perfect vegetation-free circle surrounded by grass. For decades, these circles have baffled scientists who have proposed various theories to explain them. Some believe that termites are responsible, while others argue that the circles formed due to the competition between plant roots for limited water resources. Despite extensive research, no definitive explanation has been agreed upon, making the fairy circles one of the planet's most enduring mysteries. What's fascinating about these circles is how uniform and widespread they are, stretching across 2,500 square kilometers of desert. The circles create a pattern that seems almost too perfect to be natural. Whether caused by termites or plant competition, these natural phenomena remain a captivating example of the Earth's unexplained behaviors. They offer a glimpse into the delicate balance of desert ecosystems and remind us that some of nature's most beautiful creations are also the most mysterious. Craters of methane in Siberia. In recent years, strange craters have appeared in the Siberian tundra, seemingly out of nowhere. These massive holes, known as methane craters, form when methane gas trapped beneath the permafrost is released in an explosive burst. As the Arctic warms, the permafrost melts and the gas is freed, creating enormous craters in the landscape. This natural phenomenon is particularly worrying because it highlights the accelerating effects of climate change. The release of methane, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere further contributes to global warming, creating a vicious cycle. The craters are also dangerous for the communities living nearby, as the explosions can happen without warning. These methane craters are a stark reminder of the changes happening to our planet. As the Arctic continues to warm, more craters are expected to form, altering the landscape and releasing even more gases into the atmosphere. It's a geological anomaly that's both awe-inspiring and alarming. The Earth is a place of wonder, and its natural phenomena constantly remind us of its unpredictability. Whether it's the sudden collapse of a beach, the appearance of a giant sinkhole, or the eerie lights dancing in the sky, these events challenge our understanding of the world. While science has provided explanations for many things, there are still mysterious zones where the Earth's behavior defies explanation. As we continue to explore these unexplained phenomena, we must remember how little we truly know about the planet beneath our feet. What new mysteries will emerge next? Will we ever fully understand the geological anomalies that shape our world? The only certainty is that the Earth will keep surprising us in ways we can't even imagine.